Today, we have an amazing update for all the ad creators out there. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield, and they just dropped Marketing Studio 2.0 with the one thing every ad creator has been begging for, a built-in hook generator. Here's why this matters. The hook is the hardest part of any ad, that first line, those first 3 seconds that decide whether someone watches or scrolls right past. Until now, you had to write it yourself, hire a copywriter, or just guess. Marketing Studio now generates it for you. 25+ hook variations like cold opens, POV setups, pattern interrupts, and story hooks, all matched to your ad format and powered by Seedance 2.0. You no longer need to waste your time or drain your budget paying UGC content creators and marketing agencies. With Higgsfield, you can now do it all entirely by yourself. All right, once you click the link in the description and my pinned comment, you'll land right here on the Higgsfield site. It's super easy to get started. Just log in with your Google account and then click over to Marketing Studio. Here, you'll see some presets you can select from, like UGC, tutorial, unboxing, and product review. You can also choose a hook, like product hit, interview, or product dodge, and pick a setting. So I will walk you through it. Now, let me find a product and an avatar to show you how to do this. I've already generated a product image, so let's go ahead and use that. Let me add the product name and a short description. This gives the context it needs to understand what the product actually is. Now let's select that and add our avatar. I've already generated an image of a man to use for my avatar, so let's click on Create Avatar here. You can either create one using a prompt, or you can upload your own. I'm going to go ahead and upload mine and then give the avatar a name. Next, let's set up our ad for the format. I'm going to select the UGC style, and for our visual hook, let's try Product Hit. I'm going to leave the environment setting blank for now. Finally, let's dial in our output specs. We'll set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for Shorts or TikTok, keep the quality at 720p, and set the duration to 15 seconds. Let's see what it creates.
All right, guess I'm using this. Comes with 3 chomes. I use the 6 for the beard, keeps it exactly where I want it. Cordless, so no fighting a cable. Does the job every time.
The video looks great, but there is a slight word mispronunciation. So now, let's try adding the exact dialogue right into the prompt. Now, I will just enter the prompt right here. Click on Generate, and let's see what we get.
Meet my new go-to trimmer. Multiple precision combs, 100% cordless. I snap on a guard for a perfect, even trim every time. No cables, no hassle, just clean cuts.
So it says exactly what I typed in the prompt. Now without a prompt, it would automatically add dialogue that's great for your product. But in case you want to add custom dialogue, you can do that too. The person is completely consistent and looking great. Now let's see some more examples created with a product and character.
Hi guys, so my hair is still wet from the shower and I just got this new styler. It looks so pretty NLG. Look at it, it's so sleek. Feels kind of heavy, like expensive heavy, you know? Okay, let me try it real quick. Okay, it's actually bouncy in like 3 seconds. My hair never does this by myself, Isogem. Okay, I'm obsessed, bye. Okay, this Velvura Rouge lipstick, one swipe, boom. Smooth, bold color, and the rose gold tube is gorgeous. Hi guys, so this is my new morning obsession. It's a portable blender bottle. Look how cute it is. It's so tiny and you literally just charge it with a USB. Okay, you just throw whatever you want in here. Some strawberries, banana, a little milk, and then you just press it. Oh my god, look at it go. Look at it. It's so smooth, no chunks. This is so good. Bye.
Woke up like this, then I used grip gel. Tiny scoop, all day hold, no crunch. Looks clean, feels flexible. If your hair fights you, grab this jar, seriously. Bro, I was skinny for years, tried everything. Then I started taking this every single day after training, and 3 months later, Bulk Pro. Chocolate, 24-gram protein, plus BCAAs and gluten. Just don't skip days.
So as you can see, all you have to do is upload your image and your product, and it creates an engaging ad instantly. You don't need anyone else. You can do all of this by yourself. Just log into Higgsfield, open Marketing Studio, and start creating. It's really just that easy to do. Let's see some more. For a tutorial, you just have to click on Tutorial, add your product and avatar, and you'll get a tutorial with different hooks based on what you choose.
Hey guys, have you tried this Facial cleanser? It has cherry blossom extract, which is so gentle and great for all skin types. It's a deep cleanser, but it's also pH balanced, so it won't dry out your skin. It's super hydrating and leaves your skin feeling so soft and radiant.
So this is the climb. Full suspension fork, beefy tires, honestly built for anything, including whatever that was. 2 weeks hitting every steep street in the city. My legs are cooked. The bike is completely fine. Links below. Okay, so I've been drinking this every morning, Kira Kira Splash, and honestly, it just hits different. It's 100% fruit juice, no weird stuff in it. Still using this, bye.
And for a product review, you just have to change the format here to product review. Then simply upload your product image and avatar, and you'll get a professional product review video just like that. Now let's create an unboxing video. I've already generated an image of a drone and provided a description for it. This isn't a real product. It was created just for this demo. We'll select the product, choose our avatar, select unboxing, and click generate.
No way! It's the Skyvault Pro X1! Look at that matte black and gold and the 4K gimbal. This feels so premium.
And now, let's create a video using UGC Virtual Try-On. I will select UGC Virtual Try-On. I have created a product image of a streetwear hoodie, so I will select it and choose the avatar which I generated and added earlier. Now let's click on Generate, wait for the generation to finish, and see the result.
Ow, okay. All right, moving on. This hoodie, the green lines just catch everything at night. It's actually kind of stupid how good it looks, and it fits like a cloud, so.
So, that looks great. And I hope this walkthrough is clear for you guys. I'm going to keep exploring the platform, and I'll give you more updates. But why not start creating yourself? Stop wasting money on hiring UGC creators and expensive agencies. Higgsfield Marketing Studio is available for everyone, and this update is massive for any business. It will completely take the weight of ad production off your shoulders. So click the link down in my pinned comment. Right now, they have a limited time launch offer where you can get up to 70% off or a 14-day unlimited plan. You definitely want to grab this before the offer expires. Click the link, claim your discount, and start creating.